Here's a hands-on video of the iPhone Fold dummy model coming in from China. On the left side where the hinge is, you get this very sharp and boxy design, but on the right side the corners are rounded, so it almost feels like two different design languages combined into one phone. This is a better form factor for playing games and watching movies without massive annoying black borders. This I guess is a 4:3 or 5:3 aspect ratio. Can use it horizontally or vertically, however you want. There are dual cameras, mic and LED flash on the back, iPhone Air style camera module, and on top you get volume keys. That is a strange location. There's power key / touch ID and camera control on the side. USB-C port is at the bottom. Here's the 6.9-inch iPhone side by side, and the iPhone Fold is shorter, wider when folded, but when unfolded it's slimmer and taller. Yeah, of course dimensions can still change before launch, but if this mock-up is anywhere close to the final product, then we already have a good idea of what Apple's foldable iPhone could feel in hand compared to the standard iPhone. The iPhone Ultra will be powered by Apple's A20 Bionic chipset based on 2nm TSMC process. It may have a 5800 mAh massive battery with 45 watts of fast charging, 48 megapixel dual main cameras, iOS 27 out of the box with new Siri and AI features baked in, and all the highest end specifications. Here's a hands-on video of the iPhone 18 Pro Max maroon color dummy model coming in from China. So we have a similar iPhone 17 Pro like rectangular camera module. There are triple cameras, LED flash, mic and LiDAR scanner. The camera module and individual camera bumps are thicker and slightly wider compared to the 17 Pro Max. Some rumors suggest the 18 Pro Max is getting variable aperture, which is gonna help iPhone control light intake for better images. And this could be the reason for thicker camera module and wider camera lenses. Yes guys, again the dynamic island is getting smaller thanks to in-display Face ID flood emulator now located on the top left corner. The new 18 Pro Max dynamic island is 14.98mm. This is the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max plastic mock-up in all color finishes. This time we have 4 exciting color finishes. There's gonna be light blue, which is kinda similar to iPhone 17 mist blue color. For sure gonna look pretty decent. There's gonna be dark gray for those who love space black or dark colors. Silver like in the 17 Pro. We have the highlight color dark cherry. It's kinda in between purple and maroon. Looks stunning for sure, but I think many would choose dark gray or blue over this. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.